Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin. Today we are at Rainbow Springs State Park. This is day 2 of the adventure. And if you're new to the channel, we do adventure videos. If you like this video, hit subscribe. If you want to be kept in the loop on new videos that I put out, hit that notification bell. Also, it is free. It don't cost you nothing. Boom, boom, take a chance, hit the button. Yeah. And with that being said, woo! Let's get into it. Oh yeah, the walkways are covered with these big trees, which is cool. And now, headed to the waterfalls.
Oh yeah, that way.
This waterfall is amazing. This is awesome, man. Listen to the sound. I love nature. Any more waterfalls to look at? Go some more. Adventure, baby, that's what we're doing. Kind of cool, huh? Anyway, I just want to show this part of the trip. It's the last day, about to head home. It's kind of nostalgic being on the railroads. I remember being back in high school when me and my friends, we would go downtown and catch the trains at night, you know, while they were moving at about 10 miles an hour, maybe 7 miles an hour. Hop on, hop back off. Anyway, I thought this was cool, kind of nostalgic. Just kind of reminds me of the journey that I'm on. And let's go some more.